Yeah, boy! No, I'm good.
You gonna go down the next one?
No, I'm gonna do the same one. It's fun.
That was the fun one.
Let's do this.
Ready? Alright, here we go.
Frag out!
Target neutralized. Tango down.
Few inches later. A few moments later.
What is
One
it? Why are we going so slow?
Eventually. Meanwhile.
Nope.
Oh man, this is sketchy as crap, dude. Yeah, do it again.
Dude,
Dude, how did you do that, man?
you did!
Yeah, dude? Oh, that's
Far
enough out.
Hey, he's going forward.
But then jump back.
Yeah, I got it, right?
Ain't nobody got time for this.
Look at where you want to land.
Dude,
That's fine, so you can't see it in the
crap out. Alright, ready?
I just jumped.
Oh my god. Alright, 3. Oh,
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
You on? Okay. Shit.
So you can't see
whoa.
Now we play the
My back
waiting
flop it
game.
happens. Ready?
Send
Alright,
it.
3,
Look, cut.
2. Dude, I gotta get a running start.
Just send it.
Here we go.
Hey there! Man.
Dragonborn. You're the last one. Complete the mission. And his name is John C.
Woo!